Hello again, everyone. My name is David from the 3D Prints and Stuff YouTube channel. This is my first kind of official print on the CR10. It's kind of some show on Netflix that my nephew likes a lot, so without further ado, hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think down below. Any requests also, just leave them down below. Here's the finished model. There was no sanding done, no priming done. If I did all those things, this would have came out 100 times better. But I just wanted to see how it would take the paint anyway. This is Pocoyo. It's a Netflix show. And here's one of his buddies. I think he's called Pato. I just hot glued these guys together. Quick paint, like I said, no sanding, no priming. Links and the description will be down below of the creator and where you can get this model. So as you can see, no finishing. Let's get a little picture of them together. But a little closer. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a little turntable action so you could see them 360. Well, here's the fully finished prints. Like I said, these were all done with the sample filament that came with the CR10. And hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to request down below. I'm always open to requests. And don't forget to comment and let me know how I can make the channel better. Anyway, till next time, see you guys.